Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD, and right now gold is trading at 1743. This is the current market price here. And if you have watched my previous video, then you know it very well that we have been expecting that market would be facing some trouble, some selling pressure around 1750 to 1755 level. So as per our expectation, 1750-55 is still acting as a minor resistance. Yes, not a very strong one, but a minor resistance to the market. Okay, and if you observe these candles, then you can see that right now there is not much move in the market is in consolidation after this sharp move. Okay, market is right now taking rest. This is the reality of the market, whether it is forex market, stock market, commodity market, doesn't matter. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So market was extremely volatile here. Okay, as a result, market is taking a rest right now, and we will see some kind of volatility again in the evening or during the US session. Why? Because this is the economy calendar, and you can see that non-farm payroll is about to come up. Today is Friday. Today will be a crazy Friday, I guess. So we will see some movement again. So after the NFP, if you see heavy movement, heavy volatility in the market, okay, and if you find gold going down again, there can be heavy selling pressure below 1730. If you see that after the NFP, DXY is rising again, there is a sharp drop, sharp fall on gold, then you can get a selling opportunity below 1730, and I think you can easily target 1720, or if you want to be on the safer side, you can exit around 1725. As mentioned earlier, 1720 is a very important support on the chart of gold. So if market breaks 1730, then yes, I think there will be a huge volatility. You can expect a profit till this target. Okay, and once market hits 1720 level, do not take a sell position, because 1720 is an important level. Market may bounce also from there. Buyers present around 1720 will try to bounce the market, so try to exit from the sell position. And there is a possibility also that market will be bouncing from 1720 level as well. So everything depends on the market, and everything will depend on the situation, and you will have to act according to the situation. जैसा situation आएगा आपको वैसे act करना है. Again I'm repeating, if market falls below 1730, you will get selling opportunity. You can take a sell position if you see that heavy selling has come to the market below 1730. You can target 1720, 1721. As 1720 is a very important support, 1720 is very important support, exit from there. If market breaks 1720 also, then that's a different chapter, but around 1720 market will be getting some sort of support. There is a possibility market may try to bounce also. Okay, 1720 will be an important level, and if 1720 fails to provide support to the market, then the next big support will be 1680. Clear? And if it starts going up from here, if you see that instead of going down, there is a recovery on the chart of gold after the NFP. If gold starts going up from here, then your first target should be around 1766 to 1770. This is the previous price level from where market dropped. So I think that you can target 1765 easily if gold starts going up from here. If gold breaks 1750 level, listen to me carefully, if gold breaks 1750 level, you can target 1765, 1762, 1763. So everything depends on the market situation right now. And if we look at the chart of DXY, then we can see the DXY, yes, is extremely bullish. DXY is also showing some sort of consolidation after this huge up move. DXY is also showing some sort of consolidation. After the NFP, DXY may either go up or either may go down, and accordingly you will have to act. So be careful, keep in touch with the economic calendar, and my dear friends, follow strict risk management, because during these events market gets extremely volatile, and as a trader you should not be gambling with your hard-earned money. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.